Seminole, Texas. Attacks on citizens can come at any time from anywhere.
My God!
Even from the sky.
That could be it! That's it!
Storm chaser Reed Timmer and his friends search the horizon for twisters.
We got the ace of spades behind the wheel. Lawrence. Hey, how's it going? Behind the camera as usual. We got the road or... We knew it was going to be a big severe weather day. All the ingredients were coming together for tornadoes. Very dangerous situation here.
The plan is to catch a funnel on film.
Look at this.
But what Reed and his pals don't realize is they're the ones about to get caught.
As soon as we thought we were in perfect position, the storm made a U-turn and started heading straight for us. And at that point, we knew we were in trouble.
Suddenly, a softball-sized bomb of hail hammers the windshield.
Yeah, we're going to want to turn right. We're about to destroy the windshield. More stuff. Everybody was very excited at first once the stones started falling, but then once the windshield smashed, that excitement basically turned to panic.
There's nowhere to run from the aerial assault.
Yeah, they're getting huge right now, you guys. Holy.
The icy missiles smash into the car. Soon there will be no windows left and no protection.
We were done for. It was almost like we were under attack from Mother Nature. It was very scary.
The crushing impact sprays splinters of glass at the men.
It was a very life-threatening situation, and I feared for the people in our vehicle. All right, so I'm going to try your eyes shut. I got glass in my back. Yeah. Keep your eyes shut. Shield your eyes. Got blood all over my camera. Glass washing my hand.
Then, just as suddenly as it began, the bombardment ends.
You guys okay? This storm was just the mother of all hailstorms. It was a pretty traumatic experience for everybody involved. And we're lucky to make it through alive.
The chasers gain a baseball-sized trophy to remember their wild ride.
What?
Unfortunately, they also lose their vehicle, which was totaled in the destructive downpour. But these friends are just happy that when Mother Nature let loose her fury, they weathered the storm.